Hey, can we have our melon back? Junior's hungry and,
No way! This is our private stockpile for the Ice Age! Subarctic temperatures will force us underground for a billion years!
So you got 3 melons?
If you weren't smart enough to plan ahead, then doom on you! Doom on you! Doom on you!
Get away from me!
Doom on you! Oh no! No! Retrieve the melon! Taekwondodos! Attack! The melon! The melon! The melon! The melon! The melon! The melon! The melon!
There goes our last female.
Still got it! The last melon!
Sid! Now we gotta find more food.
Hey, look at that. Dinner and a show.